Very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about our body parts. Daily we talk, jump, we play and do so many movements of our body because of all our body parts. There are two types of body parts. One, internal parts, and the second is external parts. Understood, students? Yes. Let us learn and study external parts of our body. External parts means the parts which are outside of our body. And the internal parts means the parts which are inside our body. The outside parts, that they are called external parts. For example, head, neck, hand, our legs, etc. These are the parts of our body that which we use daily for a particular purpose. So we use legs for walking, we use hands for writing, we use hands for working. So legs and hands are also called organs. For example, our nose, eyes, ears, hand, our arms, neck, chest, abdomen. These are our external body parts. External organs means organs that are on the outside of our body. For example, legs, ears, nose are our organs. They are outside of our body. Hence, they are our external organs. Now, my dear students, let us study the parts of our body. This is our body, and our body have external parts. There are so many external parts of our body. So, let us study about the external parts of our body. External parts means the parts which are outside of our body, So let us study one by one. So head, first one is head. Head have hairs. This is our external part of the body. And second one is eyes. Eyes are our external part of our body. We see with our eyes, that is outside of our body. Then third is ear. There are two ears. We can hear with our ears. We can hear the sound with our ears. Next part is nose. Nose is on our face. Nose. With the help of our nose, we can smell. Then fifth part is mouth. So we have the mouth. It is also called our external part, means outside of our body. With the help of our mouth, we speak, we eat. That is called our mouth. Our next part of our body is our lips. Lips means these are our lips. They are outside of our body. Then our teeth. They are the inside part of our body. So with the help of the teeth, we can chew like this. We can chew. So these are all our parts of the body which are outside, and some are the inside part. Then next part is our body is our abdomen. Abdomen means our stomach. And what is called this navel? Navel means we also call belly, which is center of the stomach, means at the center of the abdomen. That is called belly. We call it belly. Then next part is arm. So this is my arm. And with the help of our arm, we can lift heavy things. Okay. Then next part is our hand. See your hand. The hand can also work. We write with our hand. Yes, with the help of our finger. So they are also our external part. Then the legs. We have two legs. There are two legs. With the legs, we walk, we jump, we play. So these are all our external body parts and they are outside of our body. Let's read the parts of our body which are outside of our body. Let us read. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. Hair. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. Forehead. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. F-A-C-E, face. F-A-C-E, face. C-H-E-E-K, chick. C-H-E-E-K, chick. N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. C-H-I-N, chin. C-H-I-N, chin. Shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Belly. B-E-L-L-Y, belly. B-E-L-L-Y, belly. Elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Waist. W-A-I-S-T, waist. W-A-I-S-T, waist. Wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist. A-R-M, arm. A-R-M, arm. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Thigh. T-H-I-G-H, thigh. T-H-I-G-H, thigh. Knee. K-N-E-E, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Leg. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Ankle. A-N-K-L-E, ankle. A-N-K-L-E, ankle. Toe. T-O-E, toe. T-O-E, toe. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. These are all parts of our body which are called external, means they are outside of our body. Now dear student, let us study some body parts in detail. This is called neck, N-E-C-K, neck. This is called back, B-A-C-K, back. This is called back, B-A-C-K, back. This is called throat, T-H-R-O-A-T. This is called throat, T-H-R-O-A-T. This is called chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest. This is called chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest. This is called abdomen, A-B-D-O-M-E-N, abdomen. This is called abdomen, A-B-D-O-M-E-N, abdomen. This is called upper arm. This is called upper arm, U-P-P-E-R, upper, A-R-M, upper arm. This is called elbow. This part is called elbow. This part of the hand is called elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow. This part of the hand is called forearm, F-O-R-E-A-R-M, forearm, F-O-R-E-A-R-M, forearm. This is called our wrist. This is called our wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist. This is called palm, P-A-L-M, palm, P-A-L-M, palm. This is called hand, H-A-N-D, hand, H-A-N-D, hand. These are called fingers. These are called fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. These are the part of the legs. Let us study the part of the legs. This is called thigh, T-H-I-G-H, thigh, T-H-I-G-H, thigh. This part is called knee, K-N-E-E, knee, K-N-E-E, knee. This is called shank, S-H-A-N-K, shank, S-H-A-N-K, shank. This is called ankle, A-N-K-L-E, ankle, A-N-K-L-E, ankle. This part of the leg is called toes, T-O-E-S, toes, T-O-E-S, toes. And this part of the leg is the foot, F-O-O-T, foot, F-O-O-T, foot. These are the parts of the legs. Let us see the parts of our body. The hard ones are head, H-E-A-D, head. The next is F-A-C-E, face. N-E-C-A, neck. Shoulders, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R-S, shoulders. Chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands. Fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Waist, W-A-I-S-T, waist. Thigh, T-H-I-G-H, thigh. Knee, K-N-E-E-S, knees. K-N-E-E-S, knees. Leg, L-E-G-S, legs. Toes, T-O-E-S, toes. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Hair, H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. Forehead, F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. Throat, T-H-R-O-A-T, throat. T-H-R-O-A-T, throat. Cheek, C-H-E-E-K, cheek. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Chin, C-H-I-N, chin. C-H-I-N, chin. Eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Ears, E-A-R-S, ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Lips, L-I-E-S, lips. L-I-E-S, lips. Elbow, E-L-B-O-W. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist. Arm, A-R-M, arm. A-R-M, arm. Palm, P-A-L-M, palm. P-A-L-M, palm. Belly, B-E-L-L-Y, belly. B-E-L-L-Y, belly. Teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Feet, F-E-E-T, feet. F-E-E-T, feet. That's all, my dear students. Understood, students? Yes. What have you do, students? You have to keep all your body parts clean by taking bath every day, brushing teeth twice a day. This way you will be very, very healthy and strong. That's all, my lovely students. Take care of your body. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.